Do you dream of living a life free from financial stress? That dream can become a reality by adopting the right habits. In today's video, I'll share 10 proven money habits that can completely transform your financial future. These habits are simple yet powerful. Managing money isn't about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you use it. Many people struggle financially because they lack the right habits. These 10 habits are practical and easy to implement, and they'll set you on the path to financial freedom. Let's jump in. Set clear, specific goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve financially in the next year, 5 years, or decade. Write down your goals and give them deadlines. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," be specific. Prioritize saving. Before spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. Budgeting gives you control over your money. Track your income and expenses, and categorize your spending. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When you earn more, it's tempting to spend more, but maintain your current lifestyle instead. Build an emergency fund to protect you from financial setbacks. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses.
This habit ensures you're prepared for the unexpected, like medical expenses or job loss. Debt with high interest, like credit cards, can drain your finances. Prioritize paying off these debts quickly. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first for motivation, or the debt avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest rates. Reducing debt frees up your money for savings and investments. Saving money isn't enough. You need to grow it. Start investing, even if it's a small amount. Diversify your investments in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Use retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs to maximize your savings. The key is consistency. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Knowledge is power when it comes to finances. Learn the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. The more you know, the better financial decisions you'll make. Impulse purchases can derail your budget. Follow the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything non-essential. Review your budget, savings, and goals regularly, monthly or quarterly. Adjust your plan as your income or expenses change. Transforming your financial future doesn't happen overnight, but it starts with small, consistent habits. Which habit will you adopt first? Thank you for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands.